Hi guys, you are watching Channel Browser. I'm Ruksora.
And I'm Holly.
Today is Perfect Friday and we're back again. Holly, how was your week at school?
It was good.
What did you do? Anything special?
My week was same as always. The play is during the playtime. How was yours?
We studied, we learned some new things, and we did a new unit from writing. I want to tell you a little bit of geography today. This is the world map. As you see, our Earth consists water and land. There are 6 continents in the world. North America, South America, Eurasia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The biggest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Let's see 10 biggest countries in the world. As you see in this map, the biggest country is Russia. 1. The next biggest country is Canada. The 3rd biggest country is United States. The 4th biggest country is China. The 5th biggest country is Brazil. The 6th biggest country is Australia. The 7th biggest country is Argentina. The 8th biggest country is India. The 9th biggest country is Kazakhstan. The 10th biggest country is Algeria. These are 10 big countries. Now let's see the flags. So this is the world flag. Let's find the letter R, and then we can find Russia. I found the letter R, and then I found Russia. So this is the first biggest country. The second biggest country is Canada. So let's see the letter C. So here's Canada with a leaf on top of it, red color. The 3rd biggest country is United States. Here's United States. The 4th biggest country is China. It has big stars and small stars on it. The 5th biggest country is Brazil. The 5th one, we said it's Brazil. Let's look. Here's Brazil. It has a little moon on it. The 6th biggest country is Australia. Look, here's with some little stars or snows there. Australia. Then the 7th biggest country is Argentina. Let's look. Here, I found Argentina, and there's like sun in there. The 8th biggest country is India. Let's look. I. So it's maybe right over here. Yeah, maybe this is a wheel, and this is India. This is how an India flag looks like. And it has a little wheel inside. The 9th biggest country is Kazakhstan. It's here. The 10th biggest country is Algeria. It's here. It has a little moon on it and a star inside the moon. So these are flags. So we learned 10 flags and how it looks like. First, we named out the biggest countries. Then we find the flags of it. Now let's do some writing. So we're gonna do writing from this book. I want to do this page, and it said reading is fun. This is writing, and it says reading is fun. Write each sentence correctly. There are 3 rules. First, the name needs to begin with a capital letter. Second rule is sentence begin with capital letters. Telling sentence end with periods. That's the third rule. So let's look at this one. Number 1, they didn't start with a capital letter. Number 2, they didn't start with another capital letter because Alec is a name. And the third one, they didn't put a period at the end. So let's correct it on a board. So this is the mistake that they made. So let's correct it. The first rule was begin with a capital letter. Begin with a capital letter. And this is a name too, so it needs to be begin with a capital letter too. When you end your sentence, when you're done with writing a story or a sentence, you always need to put a period. They didn't put a period, so we need to fix this mistake. We fixed their mistake. Well, this is the first thing. Let's do another one. Another one. Smart Alec has a buck. So it needs to begin with the capital letter. And this one, because it's a name. And there needs to be a period. And the third one needs to begin with a big H and with a capital letter. And there needs to be a period. this is the mistake. We need to still start with the capital letter. And we need to end each sentence or story with a period. So this what they didn't do. Didn't start with a capital letter and didn't start with a capital letter when they are using a name, and didn't put a period when they did a sentence. So now we're gonna do the third one. This is the mistake. So they did only 2 mistakes in here. The first mistake is they didn't start with the capital letter. And the second mistake is that they didn't put a period at the end of the sentence. So this is what we did. Now we're gonna write 2 sentences about a book you like to read. So let me think about my book. Let me think about my own books. I like fairy tales, like Cinderella, Frozen. So I'm gonna write 1 sentence about Frozen, 1 sentence about Cinderella. So Frozen makes me interested in magic that Elsa has. So let's check my mistake, or I don't have a mistake, or I do have a mistake. Frozen. Mine begin with a big letter and it's capital letters. Then I'm moving on. I have a period at the end. Magic. I have all of them right. So let's see if I have mistakes. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Let's find my mistakes. Frozen. Frozen is correct. Makes. I don't think this is correct because I began it with a capital letter, but it shouldn't be a capital letter because when you're writing a sentence, when it begins, you need to put capital letter. But when you keep on going on, in the middle, you don't need to put a capital letters. Let me cross it out. So this is my first mistake. Let me do my second. Let me find my second mistake. So Frozen makes me. So this one, no, because it's in the middle and I'm not starting my sentence. This is what I start my sentence. This is the middle, so I shouldn't be using big I. So let's see if I have some mistakes too. Frozen makes me interested in magic that Elsa has. So I have the rest correct. So let's do math now. So this is a tally marks. Let's read it. Smart Alec is keeping tally marks to show how many pearls he finds each day. Use the chart to answer the question. So this stands for 1, 2 stands for 2, and this stands for 5. Let's see, how could this stand for 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this thing is 5. Monday, how about we do 5 plus 5 equals 10. So he collects 10 at Monday. Tuesday, he collects 5. So at Wednesday, they collected 25. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have 30. So let's read this question. How many pearls did Smart Alec collect on Wednesday? Right away, we need to look at Wednesday. Here's Wednesday. We wrote it down that he collected 25. It's important to write it down. How many more pearls did Smart Alex collect on Friday than on Thursday? How many more pearls did Smart Alec collect on Friday than on Thursday? Look at Thursday and Friday. 15, and Friday has 30. We need to minus if you see the little more. We can't do 0 minus 5, so we cross out 0 and 3, and 3 becomes 2 because we're borrowing 10 from the 3. This becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 gives you 5. Then 2 minus 1 gives you 1. So it's 15. Our answer is 15. The trick is you need to understand the question. The question is how many more pearls did Smart Alec collected on Friday than on Thursday? So let's do subtraction. Subtraction, fun. Help Smart Alec solve these problems. Use the picture clues to help you. Smart Alec has 5 coins. He spends 2 coins. How many gold coins are left? So we know the total, how many he had. He had 5 coins. So here, we wrote 5. Then he spent 2 coins. Spend means minus 2. How many are left? 3. 2 balls are on the grass. 1 ball rolls away. How many balls are left? So we know that there's 2 balls. 1 ball, 2 balls. And it says 1 ball rolls away, minus. We need to know it's minus because one of them left. So 1 rolled away. What is that equal? What's the answer? Let's do this. So we know that it's 2 minus 1. So 2, we have it here. Take away 1. We have 1 left. And if we do reverse, 1 plus 1 equals 2. We just changing the reverse. In our next lesson, we will see more plus and minus.
Alec is counting tracks. 3 garbage tracks. He counts 4 pickup tracks. How many tracks does he count? But I don't know. I know smart Alex count 3 garbage tracks and 4 pickup tracks. So these are 3 garbage tracks and these are 4 pickup tracks. What I want to find out is the number of garbage and pickup tracks. How many tracks does he count? He counts 3 and 4. So we have to say 3 plus 4 equals 7. The pet store. Smart Alex goes to the pet store. He sees 3 lizards. He sees 10 golden fish. How many lizards and goldfish that he sees? I know that smart Alex sees 3 lizards and 10 goldfish. Let's write them on the board. We know he sees 3 lizards. That one we write 3. We know he also sees 10 golden fishes. So let me write 10. So 3 plus 10 equals 13. Altogether, he sees 13. So now let's write about tracks. Alec counts 3 garbage tracks and 4 pickup tracks. So the first one is 3. So we should write the number 3. It's something like this. The next one is 4. The tracks are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should write the number 4. Next is equals 7. If you count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 7, so I should put equals 7 here. Totally, Alex counts 7 tracks. So we know how to understand math questions. Smart Alex have 2 boxes of pencils. Each box have 3 pencils. He wants to share the pencil with 5 friends. Does Smart Alex have enough pencils to share? So let's draw 2 boxes. Each box has 3 pencils. So totally Alex had 6 pencils because 6 plus 3 plus 3 is 6. So the question says share with the pencils with 5 friends? The answer is yes, he can, because he has 6 pencils. So we're gonna write 6. So we're gonna write 6 minus 5 equals 1. If Alex shares 5 pencils with her friend, he can share 5 pencils and 1 will be left. So he can share 5 pencils. This was our today's math. We're gonna do more math next lesson. Now let's practice our writing. So let's read. My name is Holly. That's it. If I put a period at the end, that means that sentence is finished. So let's read the other one. I have a teacher. My handwriting is not nice, but I hope when I go to first grade, I'm going to write nice. So that's it for today's writing.
Okay guys, we hope we could give you new information today.
Don't forget to follow us and subscribe our channel.
And next time, bye.